Hi there. To add more entries, like more matrices in this chart, what you need to do, click on this chart, and then again left click, right click on it, so that you will see this blue dot on the larger chart. Then go to the select data, and here you can select add chart, and you will add more fields. So let me go back and add a few fields in here, and then show you. So currently we have till E0 matrix 15. Let me add maybe till 25, and we have to go one by one. That's the trick here. I'll show you maybe two, and then you can go for the rest. So I'll take this DL and the DL1. Again, I'll go to the chart. Let me zoom out. I'll go to the chart, double click two times, then right click, select data, then add a chart. You can see it here by clicking on this and add it. Okay, so this is the name of the column, the name of the matrix. This is the values column. So it should start from 8 to 86. So I'll press add in here. I'll click on this. I'll go to this first one, which is this one, and I'll select this, delete it, select from here, and go down to it. Yes, here it is, and that's it. Boom. Click OK. Come out. Let me zoom it a bit so that you can easily select. Okay, let's double click on it again. Right click, select data. Now you will see you have the right thing. Now click add. The name of the series will be 17. The entries will be starting from this to 86. Like this. So DM8 to DM86. Okay. Now you have added two more successfully. Similarly, you can add another one. Let me click on this one. The name will be this yellow cell. Select this, delete it, select the first cell, drag it down to row number 86. These must be till 86 because the rest of the data is till 86. That's it. So now this is the way you can add more and more curves on the chart. Once it's done, now this is the tricky part. This is the part where you add the values in it. Now you have to add the click on the chart, then again click, you will see the plus button, then go to the data levels, click on this, go to more options. This will pop up another menu on the right side. It should show. Okay, let me do it one more time. More options. It's here now, finally. So I'll go here, chart option. We have previously 15 entries, now we have 16. So I'll click on this one 16th first, click solid line. Yeah, no problem. Click solid line, then go back, then select the data level, and again click solid line so that you can have the same data. And then for the labels option, you need to select series name only because you don't want to see the values. You just want to see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the series name. Similarly, again for the 17th, click the 17th, go to the cell solid line so that you can have the same color, then click on it again, go to the data level, click solid, go to the labels options, again select the series, uncheck the remaining boxes, then go back the 18th, fill color solid line so that the color is same again, then go to the okay, then go to the data level solid line so that you can have a box around the number, click on the label, select series, and that's it. So this is the whole process. This is the process I have done for 3 columns. Now you can repeat the same process to add more columns. so that you can see 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, whatever, how many you will add, those will reflect here, and this is one by one you have to go to each and format it exactly like the same so that you can see all the matrices same as the rest of the initial 15. So this is the process. If you can do it, please do it. Please go ahead. You can see the video again and again. And if you don't want to do it, you let me know how many rows, how many columns you want, and I'll do that for you. Thank you.